Have you ever encountered the cliffhanger obstacle? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a set of floating cliffhangers. Welcome back to the Ninja Life. I'm Darren Perez and I'm here to help you overcome obstacles. On this channel, we provide you with training tips and ninja related product reviews. So if this is something that you're looking for, please consider subscribing. The Cliffhanger has been around since Sasuke 4. And there have been many variations of this obstacle.
His friends and family desperate for him to make it. No one in Ninja Warrior UK history has beaten this.
Today, we're going to be making a floating version of the Cliffhanger. I first encountered this version of the Cliffhanger back on stage 2 of the National Ninja League World Championships Season 3.
Ninja Quest for the amazing gym. Ryan Stratus down there hosting this whole thing. But
the Cliffhanger alone requires amazing finger strength, but this version requires a little extra finesse and control on top of the crazy finger strength. Let's get started. So here are the tools that I used. A measuring tape, a pencil, a hammer, a punch, a measuring square, a couple of ratchets with 9/16 sockets, a drill, some drill bits, a 1" and 7/8 of an inch spade bit, a saw, a sander, some sandpaper, and a clamp. As for materials, we'll need a 2x6 by 1 foot, a 2x2 by 1 foot, wood glue, some bolts, lock nuts, and washers. To make things a little more easier for you when you're out shopping, I'll put a detailed list of our materials down in the description, so be sure to check that out. I'll also add a timestamp so you can easily come back to this point in the video once you've gone out and bought all your materials. Now that we have everything we need, let's begin. First, we're going to cut out the main body. Take your 2x6, then measure out and cut 12 inches. For the rails, take the main body that you just cut and use its width to mark the length for your rails, which should come out to roughly 5.5 inches. Cut and repeat once more. Now we're going to set up our bolt placement on the rails. Measure 1.5 inches from each end and mark the center, which should be 3/4 of an inch. Punch and make your pilot holes. It's helpful to clamp the rails to the main body, then drill. This helps keep a straight line through all the pieces of the puzzle, and will keep the rails aligned with the main body. From here, we're going to bore out 1/2 inch from our previously made pilot hole. It's helpful to use a Sharpie to mark the depth on the spade bit. This is so our bolts don't sit on top of the rails and become a hazard. Once you complete boring out the rails, you're going to widen your pilot holes to encompass the bolt diameter. You definitely don't want splinters when training, so don't forget to sand all your cut pieces. Now we move on to our assembly. Take the rails and attach them to the main body like before. Then place a bolt and washer in each hole. Add some wood glue to your rails and attach to the main body. It's a little tight, so I used a hammer to lightly tap the bolts into place. Add a washer and lock nut to the backside and tighten.
Bound only by frozen memories. It's fine. Racing on these broken
Clean up any excess glue. Be sure not to over tighten as you could crack your rails. For the eye hole placement, start at the top of the cliffhanger and measure the center of the main body, which should be 2 3/4 of an inch. Now that you find the center, you're going to measure 2 inches down and mark. Drill a hole using a 1-inch spade. And don't forget to sand your newly cut hole. Repeat steps for other cliffhangers. Congratulations! You just built your very own set of floating cliffhangers. If you ever encounter this on a course, you'll be ready. Cliffhangers are super fun and really challenging. I like to do lots of fingertip pull-ups to prepare myself for the cliffhanger. What are some ways that you train for the cliffhanger specifically? Definitely let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thank you for watching my video. To keep up with the latest, be sure to subscribe. For more DIY obstacles, check out our How to Build Ninja Warrior Obstacles series. Or you can check out more Ninja Life content here. Keep training hard. I hope to see you on the course, and I'll catch you guys next time on The Ninja Life.